Meaning of impairment.
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 Impairment. Impairment refers to the state of being weakened, damaged, or diminished. It can refer to physical, cognitive, or emotional limitations that hinder a person's ability to function optimally. Impairment can be caused by a variety of factors, including illness, injury, aging, or developmental disorders. The extent and impact of impairment vary widely depending on the individual and the condition. In some cases, impairment may be temporary and treatable, while in others it may be permanent and require ongoing support or accommodations. Regardless, impaired individuals may face challenges in daily life and may require assistance to achieve their goals.